In this video, you will learn how to get a Trading 212 card. First, ensure you're eligible. Make sure to be a UK or EU or even US citizen, age over 18, with the Trading 212 account registered under your name. Then, use the investment account. On the Trading 212 card is only available through the investing account and it cannot be used through the ISA account. Start the application. Open Trading 212 app and go to your Invest account, then tap on the card icon in the bottom menu to begin your application. Verify your identity. You will need to upload a valid ID such as a passport or driving license and complete a selfie verification. Choose a card type. You can select a virtual card for free, which can be added to Apple Pay or Google Pay, or you can request a physical card for a one-time fee of £5 or $7. Wait for approval. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed. If approved, your virtual card will be issued instantly, while your physical card will be delivered by post. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.